This week we're hard at work on the hook rules. So let's take a look inside the shop. First, we laser cut the hook rules out of stainless steel at our state-of-the-art laser cutter. Next, the edges of the freshly cut hook rules are precision milled at a CNC milling machine. After milling, the rules are cleaned up and blasted, giving them our proprietary satin finish. The rules are then laser engraved with high contrast scale markings. Those laser markings are then checked for accuracy on our state-of-the-art video optic system. We're continuing to work on the hook rules, and if you didn't get a chance, place an order now while the machines are still up and running. Stay tuned for more production updates.